15 reasons why you're always tired and how to fix it. Are you tired of being tired all the time? Discover the top 15 reasons why you might be feeling constantly exhausted and learn how to fix it with practical, effective solutions. From lifestyle changes to dietary tips, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and reclaim your energy. 1. Poor sleep quality. It's not just about getting enough sleep. The quality of your sleep is equally important. Many people believe they're getting enough rest simply by logging in the recommended 7-8 hours. But waking up feeling refreshed is the true indicator of good sleep. Poor sleep quality can result from various factors like an uncomfortable mattress, a noisy environment, or exposure to blue light before bedtime. Creating a restful environment by investing in a good mattress and blackout curtains, reducing noise, and avoiding screens at least an hour before bed can significantly improve your sleep quality. 2. Inconsistent sleep schedule. Our bodies thrive on routine, and an inconsistent sleep schedule can throw your internal clock or circadian rhythm off balance. This disruption can lead to difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, resulting in chronic fatigue. Establishing a regular sleep schedule involves going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This consistency helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Gradually adjusting your bedtime and wake-up time by 15-minute increments can make the transition smoother. 3. Sleep disorders. Sleep disorders like sleep apnea, insomnia, and restless leg syndrome can severely impact your ability to get restful sleep. Sleep apnea, characterized by pauses in breathing during sleep, can cause you to wake up multiple times throughout the night. Insomnia, the difficulty of falling or staying asleep, can lead to extended periods of wakefulness. Restless leg syndrome causes uncomfortable sensations in the legs, making it hard to fall asleep. Identifying and treating these disorders is crucial for improving sleep quality. Consult a healthcare provider if you suspect you have a sleep disorder. Treatments may include lifestyle changes, medications, or using devices like CPAP machines for sleep apnea. 4. Poor diet. What you eat has a direct impact on how you feel throughout the day. Consuming a diet high in sugar and processed foods can cause spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, leading to fatigue. A balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables provides sustained energy. Foods rich in vitamins and minerals, like magnesium and B vitamins, play a crucial role in energy production. Incorporate energy-boosting foods such as nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and lean meats into your meals. Avoid large, heavy meals before bedtime, as they can disrupt sleep. 5. Dehydration. Water is essential for almost every function in your body, including maintaining energy levels. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and mood changes. To ensure you're staying properly hydrated, aim to drink at least 8 cups, 64 ounces, of water a day, more if you're active or in a hot climate. Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder to drink water throughout the day. Eating water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges can also help maintain hydration levels. 6. Lack of exercise. Regular physical activity is a powerful energy booster. Exercise increases the production of endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, and improves cardiovascular health, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your tissues. Incorporating at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or yoga, most days of the week can help reduce fatigue. Even short bursts of activity, like a 10-minute walk, can increase energy and improve mood. For those with busy schedules, finding ways to integrate movement into daily routines, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, can make a significant difference. 7. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for prolonged periods can lead to decreased energy levels and overall health. A sedentary lifestyle slows down metabolism, which can lead to weight gain and decreased energy. Breaking up long periods of sitting with short, frequent breaks to stand, stretch, or walk around can boost your energy and improve your health. Consider using a standing desk or taking short activity breaks every hour. Activities such as desk exercises, stretching, or even a quick walk around the office can help keep your energy levels up. 8. Stress and anxiety. Chronic stress and anxiety are major energy drainers. When you're stressed, your body is in a constant state of alertness, which can exhaust your energy reserves. Learning to manage stress effectively is crucial for maintaining energy levels. Techniques such as mindfulness meditation, Deep breathing exercises and yoga can help reduce stress. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing on the present moment and accepting it without judgment. Deep breathing exercises can calm the nervous system and reduce stress hormones. Regular practice of these techniques can improve your overall sense of well-being and energy levels. Additionally, finding time for hobbies, socializing with friends, and engaging in activities that bring joy can significantly reduce stress and boost energy. 9. Mental health issues. Conditions like depression and anxiety can have a profound effect on your energy levels. Depression often brings about feelings of overwhelming fatigue, while anxiety can lead to restless nights and a racing mind. It's important to recognize the symptoms of mental health issues and seek appropriate help. Therapy, counseling, and sometimes medication can make a significant difference. Additionally, practices like mindfulness, regular exercise, and connecting with supportive friends and family can help manage these conditions and improve overall energy. 10. Medical conditions. Various medical conditions can contribute to chronic fatigue. Hypothyroidism, where the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough hormones, can lead to tiredness, weight gain, and depression. Anemia, characterized by a deficiency of red blood cells or hemoglobin, can cause significant fatigue due to lack of oxygen in the body. Diabetes, with its blood sugar swings, can also sap energy. If you're consistently feeling tired despite making lifestyle changes, it might be time to consult a healthcare provider to rule out any underlying medical issues. Proper diagnosis and treatment of these conditions can dramatically improve your energy levels. 11. Overworking. In today's fast-paced world, overworking has become a common issue. Long hours, high stress, and the pressure to perform can lead to burnout, characterized by emotional exhaustion, reduced performance, and chronic fatigue. It's essential to find a balance between work and personal life. Setting clear boundaries, learning to delegate tasks, and ensuring you take regular breaks throughout the day can help prevent burnout. Prioritize tasks to focus on what's most important, and don't be afraid to say no when your plate is full. Remember, taking care of yourself is key to maintaining productivity and energy in the long run. 12. Caffeine. Dependence. While caffeine can provide a temporary energy boost, relying too heavily on it can lead to a cycle of dependence and crashes. High caffeine intake can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to even more fatigue. To reduce caffeine dependence, gradually cut back on your intake and replace it with healthier alternatives like herbal teas, which can be calming and hydrating without the negative side effects. Staying hydrated with water and consuming foods that naturally boost energy, like fruits and nuts, can also help you reduce the need for caffeine. 13. Poor sleep environment. A cluttered or uncomfortable sleep environment can significantly affect your ability to get a good night's rest. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows, and keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Remove electronic devices that emit blue light, which can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Consider using blackout curtains and a white noise machine to block out disruptive sounds. Creating a bedtime ritual, such as reading a book or taking a warm bath, can also signal to your body that it's time to unwind and prepare for sleep. 14. Nutrient deficiencies. Your body needs a variety of vitamins and minerals to function properly, and deficiencies can lead to fatigue. Iron, vitamin D, and B vitamins are particularly important for maintaining energy levels. Iron is crucial for oxygen transport in the blood, while vitamin D and B vitamins support energy metabolism. If you suspect a deficiency, consult a healthcare provider who can perform blood tests and recommend appropriate supplements or dietary changes. Including a variety of nutrient-rich foods in your diet, such as leafy greens, lean meats, fish, eggs, and dairy, can help ensure you're getting the necessary nutrients. 15. Not enough relaxation time. Constantly being on the go without taking time to relax can lead to burnout and exhaustion. Incorporating relaxation into your daily routine is essential for maintaining energy levels. Find activities that help you unwind, whether it's reading, meditating, practicing yoga, or spending time in nature. Regularly scheduling downtime allows your body and mind to recover from the stresses of daily life. Even short breaks throughout the day can help refresh your mind and improve overall productivity. Remember, relaxation is not a luxury. It's a necessity for maintaining a healthy and balanced life. Understanding why you're always tired is the first step toward reclaiming your energy. By addressing these 15 common causes of fatigue, you can make meaningful changes to your lifestyle and health. Whether it's improving your sleep quality, managing stress, or making dietary adjustments, each small change can contribute to a significant improvement in your overall energy levels. Take action today and start implementing these practical solutions. With a few adjustments, you can transform your life from feeling constantly drained to being vibrant and full of energy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, more energized life.